If you're looking to dive into crypto trading, you might have come across BingX, but is it the right platform for you? Today we'll dig into what BingX offers and whether it's worth your time and money. BingX is a crypto trading platform that combines spot and derivatives trading, aiming to cater to both novice and experienced traders. Right off the bat, the user interface feels quite modern and intuitive, which is a plus for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. The platform supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, allowing users to trade popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as many altcoins. One standout feature is its social trading aspect, where users can follow and copy the trades of successful traders. This could be a game changer for those who are new to trading or don't have the time to analyze the market. However, I did notice some areas that feel a bit vague, especially regarding their fee structure and withdrawal limits. It's not immediately clear what you'll be paying in terms of trading fees, and that might leave some potential users feeling uncertain. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, BingX offers a user-friendly interface and the social trading feature, which can be really beneficial for newbies. The range of supported cryptocurrencies is also impressive, giving users plenty of options. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The lack of transparency around fees is concerning, as it can lead to unexpected costs when trading. Additionally, while the platform is geared towards beginners, seasoned traders might find it lacking in advanced trading tools and analytics. Also, some users have reported occasional performance issues during high traffic periods, which could be frustrating when trying to execute trades quickly. So, who should consider BingX? If you're new to crypto trading and want an easy-to-use platform with social trading features, it might be worth a shot. However, if you're an experienced trader looking for advanced tools and clear fee structures, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a solid starting point, but with some room for improvement.